Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the green line annotation is coming from. But after the past couple of days, the price continues to grind higher and higher. So definitely an update needs to be done here. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually just adjust this level of support up. And the key dynamic here, the key question to ask yourself is, well, what direction is the adjustment being made? And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, always a good situation to have, and that's exactly what needed to happen here. So one of the newest areas of support would be right up there at 76, and that's what I would call the ideal level. I mean, for Ask Clay, what would make this chart look the healthiest and the best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 76, that would be a massive sign of power. With that being said, if the price were to fall below that level, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above there, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. And the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 76 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Well, at this point, it's really just about where did the party officially stop today, and the party stopped a couple of times this morning right up there at the 80-cent mark. So you can see earlier on in the day right there, two separate occasions, price tried to get up through there, couldn't quite do it. So 80 cents, definitely public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, very, very impressive movement to think that just, a couple of weeks ago, the price was down here in, below 60 cents. Now it's up there, potentially getting ready to go up above 80 cents. Definitely a very, very impressive movement. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.